By hearing this tape, some will assume that this is over. But I am still among you. You think it's over just because I am dead?
I speak for the dead.
It's not over. The games have just begun.
Game over. Game over.
Game over.
Game over. Game over.
I'll fucking kill you!
Hello. I want to play a game. Since the beginning, it's time to start our game. You have watched others suffer. Now it is your turn to play. I want to play a game.
The game is played.
The situation you find yourself in is of your own doing. That feeling running through your body is fear. The fear of not knowing if you have what it takes to survive. Right now, you're feeling helpless. Hello, Dr. Gordon.
Have mercy. Like you just had mercy on me?
Live or die. The choice is yours.